Hey, I'm Brian Van.
I'm Max Van.
And today we're going to break down the all-new RST TracTech Evo 5 D3O Leather Jacket. Our friends at RST have done it again. This TracTech Evo 5 D3O jacket comes in at $429 retail price. Please understand we never update videos for pricing changes, only when the product itself has been completely redesigned. You take this jacket at $429 and you compare it to some of the we're not going to name names, but you compare it to the competition side by side.
This is a $700 jacket.
$700, like
any day of the week.
Straight up.
Any day of the week.
You look at the quality of the jacket. You look at how even the styling has evolved. The screen printing
looks phenomenal. It's great.
Yeah, I mean,
great.
It's sharp. It's available in multiple colorways. We're using the red one here because it's a little bit of pop.
Yep.
And obviously the big news now is instead of using the proprietary armor stuff they were using before, they made the switch to D3O. That actually started in the supported riders race suits.
Yep. So I used it this past year, and I will say, for me, I just think the suits and the jackets, whatever, just fit a little better out of the box. Or something with that D3O armor. I don't know if it's thinner. I don't know if it's the shape, but it's
the
just
compounds they use and the honeycomb style design. It just moves better. And how did it crash?
Phenomenal.
It's unfortunate that you tested that multiple times last year.
5 times, and hopefully I'll test that a little bit this year as well.
No, I hope not, because it's a lot of work for Dad.
Yeah, for sure.
So, back to the jacket. It comes with D3O Level 2 CE certified armor in the elbow, forearm, and shoulder. It has a pocket for the D3O back protector. It has pockets on both sides for the all-new split D3O chest.
Yep.
The chest armor won't be in country until about the middle of the year. The back inserts,
we've been selling those for years.
Correct.
And they're at the most $60, $80 maybe. That's just a rough estimate.
Yeah, those are all merchandised in the RST armor section on our website. And we already have D3O product available. It's just a size large. So if you want to add the back protection, which we highly recommend, you're going to find that in the RST armor section on our website. If the RST one is not in stock, it's all D3O. You can look at the icon one, get the size large. It's going to slide right in there. It's the same stuff. It's going to be great.
Yeah.
For reference, we have that in the jacket now. Let's go ahead and talk a little bit about sizing.
Yeah, as you can see, the jacket is definitely tight. I am 5'11", 170 pounds. This is a 50. It is very tight, as I like suits and jackets to fit that way. I'm more of a race fit kind of guy. I have a 40-inch chest as well. If I wanted to put, let's say, an airbag underneath, I just want to reference that out there for the guys that do like the airbag option, I would for sure need to size up. This is a race fit. More of a comfort fit would be that 52.
Yep,
so,
100%.
Yeah, but I like it. Looks good.
It looks great. The jacket includes a removable quilted insulated vest liner. It zips in. There's a couple of attachment points. We'll show you that later in the video.
I'm feeling that. I'm sweating a little bit.
Just a little bit. A lot of perforation in this, right? All perforated up here in that uppermost panel. All the stretch fabric you see, that's going to flow air freely in the wind. Some localized perforation up here in the upper arm area. Down here. Integrated shoulder protector works in conjunction with that D3O armor to enhance protection in that area. Also looks sick. Back, we've got stretch fabric up there, a very subtle race hump, right? There's some perforation in that too. Perforation back here on both sides, little screen printed logo back there. Large motion panel. If you're going to adjust the waist of the coat, they've done the sides in the stretch fabric, so that bunches up much cleaner than leather does. It also helps the jacket wear a little bit lighter, and it flows air.
Yeah.
Right? So if you need to adjust that, they've done that the right way. Zippered hand warmer style storage pockets. We've got storage pockets built into both the removable quilted liner and the actual shell of the jacket itself. One side is a slip pocket. The one on the left, I believe, is the one that has a zipper. You want to put something in there like maybe your cell phone, whatever, something you need to keep secure. You can do that on that side. Comfort lined collar, comfort trimmed cuffs, locking zippers, large locking main zipper. And one thing that RST does too is there's a little flap down there, and that is to protect the tank of your bike from the zipper of the jacket right when you're riding in an aggressive riding position. Then they have a little Velcro flap up here at the top as well. All in all, what do I think? You know, we're going to recap that in the second part when I take it apart and give you a closer look. I think I already said it. The value is unmatched.
Yeah.
The styling is amazing.
Styling's great, and I'm happy because I think the name RST, or the three letters, are growing in the United States.
Big time.
I think it's pretty legit right now. So yeah.
This brand for us here is starting to approach the big name in the industry in terms of total volume. And it's because it has been that well received by the customer base. You know, we've been doing it for years. The stuff holds up great. It crashes great. So much value and so much performance in it. If you like what you see so far, you want to get a closer look, we're going to get the jacket off Max, take it apart, and give you a closer look from the inside out. All right, here we go. The all-new TracTech Evo 5 D3O Leather Jacket from the inside out. As you probably guessed by the title, this thing is now equipped with D3O armor. Level 2 certified. This is our shoulder piece. This is the one in the elbow and forearm. Both of these are included. The jacket has pockets built into it to accept split D3O chest armor. We have that in the armor section for the RST brand on our website, as well as pockets to accept D3O back protector inserts. We recommend at a minimum adding the back protection to the jacket. Some people choose to go with the chest, some people choose not to. As of today, the chest armor and the RST branded D3O pieces are due in sometime in the middle of the year, June-ish, July perhaps. With that said, we already have D3O back protector inserts available from another brand we have merchandised in the category for RST, so you can pick one up now if you buy the jacket and you want to add it. You'll need a size large to fit in the pocket. Multiple versions are available. Here's a level 1 certified piece, very low profile, moldable, flexible, comfortable, protective. Level 1 certified. Level 2 piece, same concept, right? This is just a little bit thicker, added protection. There's multiple versions of these. Check the armor section of the website for more details. To extend the seasonality of this jacket, it comes with a removable, insulated, quilted vest liner. This is going to zip in. We've got a couple of buttons and a snap at the top just to hold it in place so it doesn't bunch up while you're riding. It's got some good-looking screen printing on the inside of it. It carries over the storage pockets from the inside of the jacket. Slip pocket on the right side, zippered storage pocket over on the left. Shell of the jacket itself, we're using race grade leather here. You'll see there's a subtle race hump on the back. This is going to work well with any helmet on the market, no interference. You can wear a backpack with this. It just gives you that racy look without having that giant race hump that you would find on most of the race suits. Large perforated leather panels here in the back. Cool screen printing right here. I really like what they've done when we get to the front. I think it just looks amazing. They did a great job. A little more perforation here. Large leather motion panel. Volume adjuster for the waist. You'll see the sides of the coat is trimmed in the stretch fabric. That also flows air freely. And it wears lighter than leather, so if you need to adjust here too, it doesn't bunch up the way leather would. It just stays more comfortable, and obviously that's out of the impact and abrasion zone, so there's really no need to use leather there. It makes the jacket just wear more comfortable by having the stretch fabric there. Screen printed RST logo, cool screen printing here on the forearm. Comfort trimmed cuff, locking zippers are used. Ample stretch fabric here all the way up to the neck. That's going to also flow air freely. Perforated panel here in the upper arm area. Integrated RST shoulder slider. That's going to work in conjunction with the D3O armor to enhance protection in that area. Get to the front of the coat. I really love the screen printing. Fully perfed panel up here, perforation down here on the sides, zippered storage pockets, hand warmer style, both sides. To protect the tank of your motorcycle, there's a little flap right here. Heavy gauge main locking zip is used. Another flap up here at the top to tidy everything up when you have the jacket zipped up. Get inside the coat. Here is that back protector pocket. Either one of these, you can kind of get a look at the profile of this, right? It just fits right into the pocket. Storage pocket on the right side. Storage pocket with a zipper on the left side. The chest protector pockets are zippered, and it's just there's a mesh liner in there. If you want to put the split pieces in there, when they become available, just slide those right in, zip the zipper up, and you've added protection in the chest area. Comfort lined collar, large zip to pants attachment. Look at the gauge of that zipper that they use. You pair this up with the TracTech Evo 5 leather pants, also a D3O armor. You've got yourself a nice two-piece street or track riding suit. To access the armor in the shoulder or the elbow and forearm area, there's a little pocket down here with a zipper. Zip that open. Get in behind the liner. You can access the armor if you need to remove that or reposition it for whatever reason. All in all, what do I think? I think at the $429 price point, this jacket stacks up against others that retail for $600 and $700, and you're really giving away nothing. They've installed top tier armor. The quality is amazing. The design, also in my opinion, this is very clean. It looks great. This is available in multiple colors. We've got the red. It's got a little pop to it. This brand is coming on strong. They have been for a long time. We're proud to have partnered with them for many years at this point. Got my son Max racing in it. Avery Dreyer is racing in it this year too. RST makes some of the best stuff, and they deliver it at price points that all riders really appreciate. If you have any questions or comments about this jacket, please leave those in the comments section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself, and I'm always here to help you choose the right gear for your next ride.